So, you're thinking about starting a home healthcare agency? Well, it all begins with a business plan really, your blueprint for success in one of America's fastest growing industries. This isn't just a document, it's actually your roadmap to legal compliance, staffing, funding, and Medicare certification, which, by the way, can unlock over $2 million in annual revenue. Your plan needs 5 critical sections and each one plays a huge role in your agency's success. First, the executive summary. This is where you define your mission, your services, and the impact you want to make. Now, let's talk about market analysis. You'll need to identify your service area, get to know your competitors, and really understand your client demographics. Next up is your service structure, so you want to clarify exactly what you'll offer, whether that's skilled nursing, personal care, therapy, or, well, maybe all three. Alright, so let's talk about operations and staffing. You'll want to detail your organizational chart, outline your licensing path, and explain exactly how you plan to hire qualified registered nurses and aides. This is honestly a super important step to make sure your agency runs smoothly. Next up is your financial plan. You need to project 6 months of expenses and actually show proof of funds. Most states, really want to see that you're financially stable before they'll even consider licensing you. Here's the thing, a great plan helps you pass state inspections, secure insurance, attract top talent, and apply for Medicare through provider enrollment, chain, and ownership system. No fluff here. It's just a strategic foundation so you can launch and grow fast. Your business plan is, honestly, your Launchpad. Build it well and your agency won't just be licensed, it'll be trusted, scalable, and deeply impactful. Need help with your agency's documentation? CarePolicy.us has you covered with ready-to-use policies, forms, and licensing support. Visit CarePolicy.us and get compliant with confidence.